What's good, guys? Hope you're having a chill day. Welcome to another quick tip, and today we're going to be going over where to find the coolest font for that perfect project you're going after. So let's get to it. First one is Adobe Fonts. So Adobe Fonts is a great way to find really nice fonts for free if you're already Adobe member. Just simply go to fonts.adobe.com/fonts and it will take you to a library of hundreds of fonts. All of these fonts on Adobe are already licensed and everything you see is cleared for personal and commercial use. What's cool about Adobe Fonts is that they have a nice navigational bar on the left hand side where you can click on different tags, classifications like hand-drawn, script, or sans serif, and even different weights. You can even add a sample text on top that you can enter anything you like to see previewed for each font quickly. After there's a font that you like, just simply click on it, press activate font on the top right corner, and turn on the toggle. In 2 to 3 minutes, it should show a quick notification and be added to your character library automatically for all Adobe programs. Super quick and easy. My favorite fonts I'm currently using on Adobe is Rock Grotesque, Acumen, Monarcha, Alternative Gothic, Garamond Premier, and Park Lane. Next one is Google Fonts. Google Fonts is a quick and easy way to get a variety of cool fonts. This one is a bit different from Adobe because you need to download each font as a .ttf file. So you click on the font you want and click download family, and it should come up as a zip file in your downloads folder. Then double click it to unzip it and drag the .ttf file to your font book for Apple computers. Give it a minute or two and it should come up in your character library for each Adobe programs. Google Fonts has a really simple and easy to search library, and as you click on each font, it has a type test where you can see the type in different text sizes easily and you can learn about the history. Check out these really cool fonts that Google has, and I made some really fun posters of my favorite music artists to go along with it. The first one is Mokondo, second is Tangerine, next is Sincel, and Anton. Lastly, the third free font I check out is DaFonts. This one is notorious for really random but also really interesting fonts that you can scroll up through easily. What makes the font interesting is that they have a variety of display and decorative fonts that are pretty awesome for a more experimental and playful style. They also have fonts that take inspirations from movies like Harry Potter, Avengers, and horror movies. Some interesting fonts I came across are New York, Afterglow, Sergio Trendy, Arsensia, No Mark, Letter Magic, and Killer Groove, which has this really cool medieval style. Also, if you have a really generous budget and want to support small studios, there's a really cool Type Foundry that create very refined and beautiful fonts to purchase and use. Some rad studios I love and always get inspired by is Grilli Type, which is a super cool and experimental Type Foundry based in Switzerland. A lot of their fonts range from $75 for each weight style, although it seems a bit expensive. These font styles they created are timeless and well crafted. You can also download a free trial for each font they've created and try it however you like. Next is Klim Foundry, which is based in New Zealand. They have an impressive range of fonts to choose from with a variety of weights and styles. This Type Foundry also lets you download and test fonts to try out for free. Their website is super slick and easy to use, and you can just navigate it really easily, click on whatever font you want, and try it out for free as well. The next one is Grilli Type Foundry. This one is based in Oslo, Norway, and they also have a great variety of fonts. Their website is super easy and fun to play around with, and their fonts are just so playful, experimental, but also really useful in real case scenarios. So definitely peep their website and check it out. Last but not least, Colophon Foundry. These guys are based in London, UK. Their website also has a really fun arrangement of playful fonts that range from practical to very experimental as well. Give them a look and definitely try it out for free too. So these are some of the quick and easy ways I found some really cool fonts on the web. Hope you guys found this video helpful and that you get to making some really cool works with these fonts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.